The Vedas, revered as the oldest and most sacred scriptures of Hinduism, are believed to be divine revelations received by ancient sages, rishis, through deep meditation and spiritual insight. Composed in Vedic Sanskrit, these texts are not authored by humans but are heard, Shruti, by the rishis. The Vedas encapsulate the essence of all knowledge, encompassing rituals, hymns, philosophies, and guidelines for living a righteous life. They form the foundation of Hindu Dharma, duty righteousness, guiding millions in their spiritual and everyday lives. The Vedas are categorized into four primary texts: Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. Each Veda serves a distinct purpose and comprises a specific number of shlokas, verses. The Rig Veda contains approximately 10,552 shlokas, the Samaveda around 1,875 shlokas, the Yajurveda about 1,975 shlokas, and the Atharvaveda approximately 5,000 shlokas. These texts cover various aspects of spirituality, rituals, hymns, and practical knowledge, making them comprehensive guides for Vedic life. The Rig Veda is the oldest among the four Vedas, composed over 3,500 years ago. It consists of 10 mandalas, books, containing a total of 1,028 hymns, suktas, and approximately 10,552 shlokas. These hymns are dedicated to various deities such as Agni, fire, Indra, king of gods, Varuna, water, and others. The Rig Veda reflects the early Vedic people's deep connection with nature, the cosmos, and the divine, laying the groundwork for later Hindu philosophies and practices. The Samaveda, known as the Veda of melodies and chants, comprises around 1,875 shlokas. It primarily consists of verses taken from the Rig Veda, rearranged for musical rendition during rituals. The Samaveda's emphasis on melody and rhythm has significantly influenced Indian classical music. It includes two main parts, the Purvarchika and the Uttarachika, each containing specific chants used in various Vedic ceremonies. The Yajurveda, known as the Veda of rituals, contains approximately 1,975 shlokas. It provides detailed instructions for performing various Vedic rituals and sacrifices, yajnas. The Yajurveda is divided into two main branches, Shukla Yajurveda, White Yajurveda, and Krishna Yajurveda, Black Yajurveda. The Shukla Yajurveda emphasizes the mantras and the procedural aspects of rituals, while the Krishna Yajurveda includes both the mantras and the explanations, offering a more comprehensive guide. The Atharvaveda is unique among the Vedas, comprising around 5,000 shlokas. It addresses the everyday concerns of individuals, including healing, protection, prosperity, and domestic rituals. Unlike the other Vedas, the Atharvaveda includes hymns for practical purposes such as medicine, magic, and charms. Additionally, it delves into philosophical inquiries about the universe and the human soul, making it a comprehensive guide that blends the mystical with the practical aspects of life. For millennia, the Vedas have been preserved through an unbroken oral tradition known as Shruti, that which is heard. This method involved meticulous memorization and precise recitation techniques passed down from teacher to disciple, guru to shishya. The Vedas were chanted in specific meters and intonations to maintain their integrity and sanctity. This oral transmission ensured that the Vedas remained free from alterations, preserving their original form and profound wisdom across generations. Each Veda is divided into four major sections: Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and Upanishads. The Samhitas contain the core hymns and mantras. Brahmanas provide explanations and instructions for the rituals and ceremonies. Aranyakas, or forest texts, serve as a bridge between the ritualistic Brahmanas and the philosophical Upanishads, focusing on meditation and symbolic interpretations. The Upanishads delve into profound philosophical concepts, exploring the nature of reality, the self, Atman, and the ultimate truth, Brahman. This structured division allows the Vedas to address various aspects of spiritual and worldly life comprehensively. The Upanishads, often referred to as the Vedanta, the end of the Vedas, constitute the philosophical portion of the Vedas. Comprising over 200 texts, the Upanishads explore profound metaphysical concepts such as the nature of the self, Atman, the ultimate reality, Brahman, and the relationship between them. They introduce ideas like karma, moksha, liberation, and the interconnectedness of all existence. The teachings of the Upanishads have significantly influenced various schools of Hindu philosophy and continue to be studied for their deep spiritual insights. The Vedas have profoundly shaped Hindu culture, spirituality, and societal norms for thousands of years. They influence various aspects of life, including rituals, ceremonies, ethical conduct, and philosophical thought. The Vedas also laid the groundwork for other Hindu scriptures like the Puranas, Mahabharata, and Ramayana. Their teachings continue to inspire millions, promoting values of truth, righteousness, and harmony with the universe. The Vedas remain a cornerstone of Hindu identity, revered and studied by scholars and devotees alike.